note. Thank you for your cooperation in helping to keep us all safe. Seatbelt and no smoking signs are located throughout the aircraft. Please obey them at all times. Please wear your seatbelt while seated. Fasten your seatbelt and adjust it around your hips. To release the seatbelt, lift the proportion and pull apart. In the event of an evacuation, lights at the level will guide you to the exit. This aircraft exits are located as follows: 2 doors at the front, 2 rolling window exits, and 2 doors at the rear. Take a moment to note the one nearest you. To ensure safe evacuation of all passengers, should any rise, you are required to leave all personal belongings behind. This card in your seat pocket outlines the safety features of this aircraft. Please take a moment to review it. If required, oxygen mask will deploy from a panel above you. Stay seated and pull the mask towards you. Adjust the strap to hold the mask over your mouth and nose and breathe normally. Always take your own mask before assisting someone else. In the event of an emergency landing on the water, a life vest in a pouch is located beneath your seat or below your armrest. Once removed from stowage, the pouch looks like this. To open the pouch. When removed from the pouch, the life vest looks like this. Place the vest over your head, fasten the waist clip, and tighten the belt. Pulling the tabs will inflate the life vest. It can also be inflated by blowing to the tubes. Wait to inflate the vest until leaving the aircraft. Installez-vous confortablement, détendez-vous et profitez de votre vol. Si vous avez des questions ou si nous pouvons faire quoi que ce soit pour rendre votre voyage plus agréable, n'hésitez pas à vous adresser à nous. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight. If you have any questions or if there's anything we can do to make your flight more enjoyable, please let us know.
Flight attendant, same position for takeoff. Thank you.
car il se peut que certaines choses aient changé de place au décollage. La réglementation fédérale interdit de fumer à bord, on prend l'utilisation de la cigarette électronique. Il est aussi interdit de consommer votre propre alcool ou tout produit du cannabis. Nous sommes heureux de vous offrir des divertissements pendant le vol, diffusés en continu directement sur votre appareil électronique personnel. Le Wi-Fi est également offert à bord du vol d'aujourd'hui. Vous pouvez vous connecter en payant par carte de crédit. Il vous suffit de vous connecter au réseau Rouge Wi-Fi et de utiliser le rougewifi.com. Les clients qui achètent l'accès Wi-Fi à bord recevront gratuitement un accès à First Reader une fois la transaction finalisée. Prenez note que l'utilisation d'applications vocales n'est pas permise pendant le vol. Votre couvre-visage doit être porté en tout temps, y compris lors de vos interactions avec votre personnel de cabine. Veuillez jeter votre masque sale dans le sac malaise. Merci de votre collaboration. For your safety, we encourage you to keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. Please be careful when opening an overhead bin, as the fittings may have shifted on takeoff. Federal regulations prohibit smoking on board. This includes the use of e-cigarettes. Consuming your own alcohol or any cannabis products on board is not permitted.